everybody, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I am here today on Tuesday, May 15th for another finished jewelry update. And it's been a couple weeks since my last update. Life got pretty busy over the past couple weeks, but I didn't stop creating when I did have a few moments because that's what keeps me sane. But anyway, things have calmed down a little bit, and I wanted to jump on here and do a finished jewelry update before it went too long. So, first of all, I just want to welcome all of my brand new subscribers. Things have kind of went gangbusters for me over the past couple weeks, and I just want to say that I am so glad to have everybody here, and I'm just amazed at how many new subscribers I've gotten over the past couple weeks. You guys are amazing, and thank you so much for being here. I mean, really, this, seeing the growth so quickly, it's what keeps me motivated to keep making videos like this. It's definitely something that's outside of my comfort zone, but I definitely want to continue on with it because I love sharing my enthusiasm for jewelry and beads with other like-minded people. And you guys have left me some of the greatest comments, encouragement, and it's nice to be able to share this with people like you all. So thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. Let's see, we can get started with some of the bracelets that I've made recently, and I like to do these updates because I do share a lot of unboxings and bead hauls when I get them, and I get questions about what I do with all those beads. So I thought it'd be fun just to maybe share with you all what I've made, maybe give you some inspiration. And also, I love hearing from you guys too in the comments about maybe some things that you've made as well, or things that you've done differently with your beads. So it's fun to just share. It's kind of like a little show and tell. And maybe it provides you with some ideas. So if it does, wonderful. The one I'm holding here is I was playing with these new 2-hole pyramid beads, and these were from the April 2018 bead crate, and you'll see those in that unboxing video if you've checked that out already. If not, feel free to go check that out. But like I said, they've got 2 holes, and I just loved that bead crate so much. It had so many crystal AB check glass beads in so many different shapes that I hadn't worked with before. So I've used so many of those beads already. I barely have anything left. But a couple of my favorite things that I've made with them are these bracelets with these pyramid beads. They went up really quick. They're very easy. I paired them with the check glass Lucerna bicones in 6mm. And just kind of, it was a nice, therapeutic stringing project instead of doing a lot of, bead weaving. While things have been a little crazy for me, I did a lot more stringing that you'll see in this video. So that's what these couple of bracelets are that I whipped up. The white there are just some Chinese crystal bicones, so not like the best quality bicones, but they kind of fit in there nicely. In this pattern with the Lucerna bicones. So I like them. I think they were fun. I loved working with the new pyramid beads, the new shape. So yeah, that was a fun project to work on. And these were just something I whipped up for myself. And then I have made a couple of memory wire bracelets. I had memory wire for quite some time, and I just hadn't used it. And I thought, well, I want to do something different. And again, it was kind of a stringing project, something that wasn't as time consuming as some things can be. And so I really just got into making this one over here. It was like a lot of the black beads. I had a lot of different sizes of lava beads that had come in from the dollar bead boxes, and then I wanted to do something in like red and gold. These really cute gold beads came in the April 2018 bargain bead box, and so I thought they made really cute accents with the red over here on this bracelet. And then you can see that I used some like check fire polish beads that I got from Dollar Bead Box. I had these red glass pearls for quite some time from, I believe, Michael's. I've got some gold freshwater pearls that I've had in my stash for a long time. It's a great way to put a lot of different beads together, you know, really go through your stash. And I think these Drucks were from the April 2018 dollar bead box. And you know, correct me if I'm wrong on anything you see here. I'm doing best I can just going by my memory, but I think that's what it was. But yeah, it's a great way to go through your stash and just, you know, put things together, see what works. I think most of the time that goes into making the memory wire bracelets is really in the planning. So I did plan, you know, everything out. I planned about 8 inches per ring. So I did, you know, 8-inch strands of one pattern, and then I'd do an 8-inch strand of another pattern. And that seemed to work best. And, you know, you get this really cool bangle effect. And I just really like all these different beads together. And I did the same thing with the black one. I just went through my stash, saw a bunch of things that I thought would work really nice, especially with the lava beads, because I knew I wanted to use those. And so I found, you know, black glass pearls. I had these silver spacers in my stash. These beads that I'm not sure what they are, but I've had them since I was a teenager when I had a little jewelry business back at that time. So it's, you know, been really fun to play with those, put them all together. And like I said, a lot of it is the planning of those memory wire bracelets. But they're so fun to put on and easy to put on and wear. So those are the memory wire, and then you see this last little bracelet hanging out here, and this was just something I was playing with. I just started with another pattern I had made and just kind of built upon it, and it ended up being a reversible bracelet. So I was doing some more playing again with those check glass Lucerna bicones. And I might do a tutorial on this in the future. I need to perfect it. I used a lot of fishing line for this bracelet, which made it very stiff, which I don't mind for myself, but I think it would be better if I had used fire line throughout the whole project. But I think it's a lot of fun because this bracelet really looks nice from all angles, and I think it's kind of cool, the idea of having a reversible bracelet. So that might be a fun tutorial to do in the future. So that's that for the bracelets. And then for necklaces, I went crazy with these howlite beads. Oh my goodness. I had gotten I think it was a bag of 100 of these howlite cream teardrop beads, and they were from Jenny's Gem Creations on Etsy. So I did a little haul on her shop. I just stumbled upon her shop and ordered some items and did a little haul video on that one. That was a lot of fun. I really liked the selection that she had in her shop. And so one of the things I saw was that she had a big old bag of these howlite teardrops on closeout for like $3.50. And I really just like how they look in these bib style 2-strand necklaces. I had just picked up a lot of the suede cord in some different colors to play with, and I liked how, you know, the 2 strands of suede play off the 2 strands down here, because the howlite's kind of natural looking, you know, and it just goes well in my mind with the suede. But I've been really enjoying these bracelets. Necklaces, sorry. And I made one other one that I don't have here. It's in black. So it had black accent beads and silver tone rings and a black sueded back of the necklace. So that's that for necklaces. Again, you know, I've had a lot more stringing projects that I was doing that went up faster, and I repeated the same type of design that I had done several times, which didn't require a whole lot of extra thinking. And, you know, sometimes we have weeks like that, right? And that's just the way it goes. And just, we can't, you know, go on our hobbies all the time. We gotta work on stuff that comes up in life and come back to these things for some sanity when we can. So that's it for the necklaces, and then these were some earrings that I made with no particular pattern. I did get some inspiration from Pinterest on these. I had recently gotten these gold, slightly curved bars on eBay, and they're, you know, they can be used as a bead, but I also think they look really cool with beads that are brick stitched off of them, and I really like the look. So I decided to feed an eye pin through them and then hang the earrings off of a little bit of chain, and added a little bit, a little crystal bead here that coordinated with the colors. I used gold Delica beads, 11 O's, and the perma finish, and some of the red fire polish beads that I had gotten through my special order of check fire polish beads on the Dollar Bead Box website. So I thought they were kind of cute. They're kind of boho. They're kind of fun. And after that, I had also gotten these red leaf beads on Jenny's Gem Shop on Etsy. I think I said it incorrectly just a few minutes ago. So Jenny's Gem Shop. And so I got these leaf beads, and I wanted to incorporate those in a similar design. So I was just playing with these. I'm not sure how, I mean, I really like them, but I'm not sure. I'd like to make them a little more sturdy if I were to try to sell them or give them to somebody. Not that I think they would fall apart. It's just that they kind of, the leaves kind of flip around more than I'd like. So I need to kind of, I don't know, perfect that design a little bit, but I still think they're a lot of fun, and I really like them. So those were the earrings I made. That is really everything I've had a chance to do over the past couple weeks, which is still pretty good. And yeah, I'm still waiting on my May dollar bead box to come in, and I had received shipping information on that about 6 days ago. I just checked the tracking this morning. It looks like it might come today, so stay tuned. I might have that video up today or tomorrow as I have time. And I just want to say again, thank you so much to everybody for being with me, for all the positive words and encouragement, and just for being all around awesome people and sharing in this excitement with me. It's been so much fun. So I will be back soon with more videos, and please let me know in the comments what you've been up to, or just stop by to say hi. Alright, thanks everyone. Hope you have a great day.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!